Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I was under the impression that the Ipsy Standard bag, the Ipsy Plus, and the Ipsy Ultimate were all going to be the same exact bags, but I was wrong. Ipsy Standard is going to have a different bag than Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Ultimate. Now, Ipsy Plus and Ultimate is going to have the same bag, but I'm about to show you both bags right here in just a minute. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video, which is the video where I'm showing you the Ipsy and Betty Boop collection for October. Congratulations, Tori's Den. Tori says, morning, love. Hope you are doing great. Love your videos. Well, I'm doing very well. Thank you so much for asking, Tori. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. Now, thank you so much for taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these bags. First, I'm going to show you the bag for the Ipsy Standard subscription. Now this is the one, well, I think it's $12 a month now, but this is going to be the bag that goes out for the Standard. Now, again, Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Ultimate has a different bag. Now, they are going to be bigger, but they are a little bit different. Now, they're all going to be inspired the same. They're all going to be inspired by Betty Boop, of course. So, here is the bag that you will be getting if you get the Ultimate or the Plus subscription. I think this is a really cute bag. I was under the impression that they was all going to be the exact same, but I mean, I must have heard that the wrong way. They was probably saying inspired the same, and I just took it as they're all going to be the same. So I did want to correct that, and I did want to show you this bag. This is just super cute. I really do like this bag. Now, here is the back of the bag. I don't know if this is going to be for the back of both bags or what, but this is the only bag I could find. But anyways, I did want to get on here and show you this new bag real quick. I know we've already seen the one with the Betty Boop's face, but here is this black one. I really do like it. But as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'm going to keep y'all updated. You know I got to keep y'all in the loop. And as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Shirley Weeks. Shirley says, hi, I'm loving your channel. Well, thank you so much, Shirley. I'm so glad because I really love doing these videos for y'all. And I really thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And again, if you yourself would like to have a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my comments, my likes, they're taking my views, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, tell me. Just tell me that in the comments. Why are you not subscribed? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there, hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option, y'all. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube refuses to fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more videos of mine. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. You'll know everything. You'll be ahead of everything. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.